Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Pain changes people. Some people become rude. Some people become unsuccessful. And some become successful. And unfortunately, some committed suicide. This video is being made keeping in this mind that how much stress, how much pressure, how much anxiety at times we have. And what we've been doing with ourselves. The life is very beautiful, friends. The life is so precious. Don't ruin this life. Mere becoming successful or to get a job doesn't make you successful. To remain happy, to be calm, to be among your family members, to be with your peer group. That is the thing that really is going to make you successful. Do talk, do discuss, do plan out an outing with friends, family, have a evening cup of tea with them. These type of things makes you more comfortable. Don't you think so that there was a time when we used to spend quality time with family? We've been be moving out, we'll be staying with family, we'll be talking to relatives, we'll be at that point of time going to friends place. But now whole of the setup has become a virtual one. Now if somebody put a video or a message, we liking it on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or retweeting it with a comment. This has become a mere world. But do you think so that this really is the life we want for ourselves? This is the real life which our ancestors want for we people? The technology has overpowered us. Don't fall prey to this social sites. Live in a beautiful world which you have. Where becoming an IAS officer or becoming a banker or joining some career of your choice doesn't give the definition that you are successful. Do talk to people, do talk to your fellow mates. More you discuss, the more you'll open up. But don't felt isolated, don't remain aloof. Outing is very important, my friends. Meeting out old pals is very important. This death of a budding actor Sushant Singh Rajput, who was from Bihar. I was going through his bio yesterday. Having 1.8 million followers on Twitter, that doesn't show that you are a successful one. That is a virtual world we've been living. Be a real hero in yourself. If you could not be able to qualify one particular exam, if you could not be able to get settled in your life of the thing of your choice, you're not a failure, you're not a loser. You might not get settled, you might not get things of your choice the way you planned. That Almighty is having something for you. We know that how important the life is. This pandemic has put people in a very depressive mode. This pandemic has negativity all around. So some reasons you should find to be optimism. Some reasons you need to get for yourself. Do meditation, do yoga, read books, talk to family, spend quality time. But don't stop yourself. Don't kill yourself inside. Friends, In life, you might not be successful at one point of time, but that doesn't mean that you are not going to be successful throughout the life. Keep your morale high. Keep yourself in high spirits. I still believe one of the lines penned down by Harivansh Rai Bachchan, and I've heard it number of times from Amitabh Bachchan. That line says like this: असफलता एक चुनौती है, असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो तुम, क्या कमी रह गई, क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो, जब तक ना सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम, कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Friend, these lines are very important if we felt the meaning of it. Do well in life, do plan things as they are coming to you. Don't be anxious, don't show your anxiety for something, that yes, I'll do this, I'll get this. This is life. Let this move in a flow. Let this move in a flow. But do burn your stress. Do burn your negative energy. Do talk to your friends. Do talk to your family members. Because you are an important asset for your family. If you ruin yourself, definitely your family is not going to be happy one. You might do 5-10 movies, you might do 5-10 TV shows. What is the fun at the end of the day? A pressure was being built up inside, and unfortunately you said, I quit. In life, never quit. Never quit. Make a promise to yourself that you are not going to quit yourself. You are God's best creation. You have been made for something. You need to remain happy, my friends. This life is so cool, so beautiful. Just learn to enjoy every second of your life. Start enjoying every second of your life. That seconds will convert into minutes. That minutes will convert into hours, days, weeks, years. And cherish some beautiful memories of your life. Do well in life. Let the life comes in the way it is coming to you. Let's enjoy every part, every second of it. I don't want to go more into this, but thing is, I felt bad yesterday that why people commit suicide. What is the reason that why people commit suicide? Suicide is not an option, my friends. Do remember when the day you were born, your father cried for the first time? That was the tears of happiness your father was having. Your mother felt so happy to hold you in your hands. That was a time, dear friends. Just if this thought comes to your mind anytime, just think for those family members. Just think for those moments when your family felt proud. What if they will see you tomorrow like this? Only because of the reason that you could not be able to get the thing of your choice? No, dear friends. Might be the God has something else, something more beautiful than this for you. So I wish you all a wonderful day ahead. Keep growing good, but stay calm, stay cool, stay happy. Talk to your friends, talk to family. Don't disturb your politeness. You guys, I know you can rock, and you are the Josh type guys. Do well in your life. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.